How to set automatic messages on TikTok. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, if you want to set auto messages on TikTok, then it is important to know that you will need a business account to do so. So if you don't already have a business account, so tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Here, tap on the settings and privacy option you see there and then tap on the account option. Here you will see the option for switched to business account. So simply tap on the switch to business account option you see there and further tap on next and then tap on next again. You will then be required to select a category for your business account to do so and further follow the on-screen prompts in order to complete the process for setting up your business account. Once business account is enabled, tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen and then tap on the business suite option you see there. Here, you will see various options, so simply tap on the message center option you see there, and in the interface that you will be led to, you will see the automatic messaging tab. So simply tap on the welcome message option you see there under automatic messaging and then go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for welcome message. Here you can then tap on the text box you see there and then tap on the edit option and further go ahead and edit your welcome message if you want to do so, and finally tap on the submit button in order to save the message reply that you have saved. You can also then go ahead and tap on the suggested questions option you see there and then add in your suggestions for the question if you want, and you can tap on keyword reply if you want to enable keyword reply. So this was about how you can set automatic message on TikTok. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.